Hello everyone, this is Mr. Hu. I am a part of the math department at Heron High School, teaching pre-calculus, Algebra II Semester 2, and probability and statistics this semester. So a little bit about me. I graduated from Indiana University Bloomington in 2018. I almost said the wrong year there, but I got it right in the end. With a Bachelor's of Science in Teaching Secondary Education, specifically for math, as well as a license to teach English as a new language. So I'm all about that math and a bit about that language, okay? And there's a lot of overlap between learning the two things, okay? So just know that your kids are in pretty good hands despite my relative, freshness to the profession, okay? Uh, as far as course content goes for each course, okay, depending on your student's degree they're choosing to try and graduate with, my classes are still required. As you know, at Heron we have to take 4 years of math. If you're in algebra, if you have a student in Algebra 2, they definitely need to pass that course in order to graduate, whether they're a junior or a senior. If they're in pre-calc, it looks very nice for colleges if they do well in that course as a lead up to possibly higher level maths. Um, and for probability and statistics, later this year, next semester actually, we will do this course called Finite Mathematics, which will talk about mathematics as a practical field in various jobs like finance and stuff like that. But for this semester, probability and statistics, we're talking about analyzing graphs and data in a way that will provide us with the information we want to know from looking at those things, involving real events, real current events surrounding us here. If you need to, if you're asking what your student needs to succeed, there are plenty of ways to do so in an online environment. For one, there are plenty of online resources to help your student kind of get some supplementary knowledge, supplementary lessons. Okay, if they need a calculator to graph things with, I highly recommend Desmos or like GeoGebra. Those are some free online graphing calculators. They can just type it into the browser, search it up, and it's there. This year, we are also using a platform known as Delta Math to kind of get the content to them and have them do assignments and mastery on them. And so far, it's been a bit of a struggle, but we're working through the kinks, and I think that platform will begin to start making sense to students here. But as long as they still have questions, you can always, bring them up to me and stuff like that. In any case, my office hours are on Wednesday starting from 2 p.m. Okay, for general office hours, running to 3 p.m. And then from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m., it's going to be one-on-one sessions. Okay, so if you feel like your kid definitely needs to come to these office hours, those are the times to come for. Okay. Anything else here I'm missing? I think your students have my full support in pursuing whatever their interests are. So even if this math class is maybe not their greatest interest, they're maybe not that great at math, or maybe they will not take a higher math class in a higher education, then this class is just kind of them going through the motions. It may be the last one they ever take, but that doesn't really lower the importance of such maths to me as a teacher. I feel like everybody should see this, even if it's not necessarily useful in their direct lives, as everything they eventually get to doing, especially when it's concerning Algebra 2 or probability statistics. Those fields, okay, can give you a lot of ways to kind of take in information and understand that information. And same with pre-calculus, although that is definitely a course more catered towards getting into a higher math class. Of course, if your student is not one of those, I'm not saying to relax on that kind of stuff, but it is maybe not their highest priority among their classes they're taking. Okay. But again, if they're struggling, send them right to me and I'll help them out. Or you can send them to many of the other teachers here at Heron or Riverside. They can help you out as well. And I know everyone is struggling with the full virtual situation we're in, but we just got to work ourselves through it and get through this together. All right. Thanks for watching this video. I hope to hear from you soon if you have any questions about my classes and how I conduct them. Thank you.